What's up guys, Nick's Aviation here, and today I'm doing another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Braniff International Lockheed Electra, or the L188. This model was actually made by JetX, and cool thing about it, that it was bought in Vancouver actually, when I went there for a holiday to go to this small mountain town called Nelson. Here we go. So you have a very, very nice kind of maroonish color to the aircraft. I really like the detail here. So let's go into full detail. So here you have the nose of the aircraft. And as you can see right here, you have eyebrow windows, which are, I don't know if they're like regulation on these aircraft. I imagine they are. But for example, the 737s, the older generation, would usually have eyebrow windows, and some 800 and 900s do too. So you have the L1 door where passengers would board. You have 3 windows actually in front of it, which are interesting. An emergency door in the middle here. Print that says Braniff International. Another door back here. 3 more windows, and then 3 tiny little windows. You have, I don't think that is the registration, N9709C. Then you have the American flag indicating that it is an American airline based out of Dallas's Love Field. Well, it was until the airline actually eventually went bankrupt, and then the corporate logo. So now something that I really like about these engines is that they do spin, and if you blow on them, they spin very nicely. So something that I like is also under, you can see there's a lot of detail right there, as if like the intake was there too. You have the cargo hold right here, and on this side actually you have smaller doors, only 3 emergency doors as to here where they're passenger doors. And then you have the nice landing gear that comes out of the 2 engines that are closer to the fuselage, and then you have the nose gear. So I'm actually going to do a tiny bit of a size comparison because this aircraft is one of my smallest models to date. And I'm going to base it off 2 smaller models that I have right here. The Convair CV440 and the ATR 72. So you can see that this is actually the bigger of the 3 turboprop aircraft. Actually, the Convair CV440 is it's a piston engine aircraft, I believe. But I actually unboxed this in one of my earlier videos. So by the way, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, make sure to go ahead and chuck a like rating on them, and yeah, because they are pretty interesting, and I did do reviews on aircraft that are actually including the Lufthansa A380 747 SP and an A330. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe to support me, and also to stay tuned for more awesome content like the next unboxing videos like I'm doing for Gemini jets, a JC Wings, and a Phoenix model. Thank you very much.